Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good tank division HOI4 full guide. Start by choosing a core template and set a clear role for the division, then add medium tanks and motorized infantry to match that role. Test combat width and performance on a small front, tweak support companies like engineers and logistics, and monitor frontline supply, fuel usage, and production cost versus combat effectiveness before committing to mass production. Pick equipment that fits your doctrine and industry, focusing on medium tanks for balanced performance and lighter models for speed where needed. Then secure engines, guns, and chassis with dedicated production lines to prevent shortages. Plan variants to upgrade easily. Use lend-lease or imports if factories lag behind. And keep an eye on research trade-offs that affect reliability, production efficiency, and strategic mobility for sustained campaigns across varied terrain and weather. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making in-depth guides. Quick recommendation. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control and keeps your room tidy between long play sessions. It connects well to a neat setup and saves time for more strategy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Deploy tank divisions where terrain and supply favor maneuver, use combined arms to punch through enemy lines, and avoid attritional head-on fights with entrenched infantry. Concentrate armor to achieve local superiority and encircle enemy forces. Plan logistics routes and fuel reserves for extended pushes. Scout enemy defenses to pick weak sectors, and coordinate air support and artillery barrages to maximize breakthrough potential while preserving organization and manpower.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.